So last night was very cold. So cold in fact that we used both sleeping bags. According to the thermometer, it was -3 outside and round about 0 in the van. And we also slept on both mattresses. According to the app, it felt like -3 outside, so it's pretty accurate, I guess. We had some good brekkie and we're heading to Geraldine Library, something like that. Dude, he's still got a valid rego, so he's actually driving this. The lunch spot is called Q Foods. Q Foods. The hippie bowl.
What's up with that clock?
So that bowl was not very filling, so I thought, how about second lunch? This beef foodie also does not seem too inviting, so maybe we just go walk up the street and see what we can find. So this one's called the Kick in the Nuts. Right, we are ready to head to Methven or something like that. Right, just to keep the record, today we swam 200 meters and then had a little break and then another 100 and another 100. So that's 400 meters in total, which, yeah, feels good. And now we're heading to the Triangle Espresso Cafe for breakfast because we got the little dinosaur last time and that was cute. And then we head to the Ashburton Library again.
No butter on the toast, but
Right, we've tried like 2 different campgrounds, but they're all shut over the winter. So we came here, which might be a good idea because there seems to be a Aurora coming up tonight. There's a lot of people here, probably coming only for that. And there's a lot of tripods and stuff, and there's so many people there. So let's see, maybe we're lucky.
In the darkest night, a shimmering glow, colors dancing in the sky like stars from below. The Aurora Australis, a mystical sight, nature's very own celestial light. Whispers whispers in the wind, a beautiful refrain. The southern lights come alive, electrifying the plain. A canvas of wonder where dreams take flight, when we listen enchanting on this magical night. Under the celestial dawn, bathed in colors, this is where we belong. Let the Aurora Australis guide us tonight. Together we'll chase the stars in this cosmic delight. Whispers in the wind, a beautiful refrain. The southern lights come alive, electrifying the plain. A canvas of wonder where dreams take flight, luminescent, enchanting in this magical night. Under the celestial dawn, bathed in colors, this is where we belong. Let the Aurora Australis guide us tonight. Together we'll chase the stars in this cosmic delight. Echoes of a distant sound, guiding me through winding roads. Every step is one more chance to break free from heavy loads. Oh, chasing glow all night long. Dancing till the break of dawn. Chasing the light all night long. Moonlight paints the sky with hope. Stars are winking at my soul. In this maze I find my way. Follow shadows to my goal. Chasing low all night long. Dancing till the break of dawn. chasing the light all night long.
Good morning. What a spectacular night. I usually don't watch the footage until I get to the computer and then do the vlog, but I just had a little peek and man, that's just unreal. That was great. It was so lucky. I was talking to this lady that was in the lower right hand corner of the footage, and she said apparently that was one of the biggest auroras in the last 20 years, but I don't know how credible that information is. But we were definitely lucky that we ended up driving here, because that spot is very famous, because you can see the reflection of the aurora in the lake. We've seen that with a couple of my pictures as well, but I also didn't really have a look yet, but it's gonna be fun to edit. I would probably usually put a time lapse on this one, but it's just so insignificant to what we've seen last night. It's just incredible. I think we can remove the thermometer from our temperature measuring devices. Just going to use the olive oil, which is frozen, or at least solid. Right, we're still at the Lake Ellesmere. We've done some research, and apparently it was indeed the biggest solar flare of the last 20 years, so we were very lucky. So we got back here, and apparently it's still ongoing, so we should be able to see some more tonight, and we are prepared. I want to put the GoPro in the front to have one fixed time lapse, and I want to use the phone with another app called Skyflow to do some time-lapse videos of that as well. And you know, I can move it around and try something there and there, but I want to use the GoPro just for one spot.
Moonlight paints the sky with hope. Stars are winking at my soul. In this maze I find my way. Follow shadows to my goal. Ooh, chasing all night long. Dancing till the break of dawn. Chasing the light all night long.
Alright, so clearly that one was not as impressive as the aurora 2 nights ago, so I think I'll end the video here now, and I'll call again if I find something cool. Pumpkin!
T's and C's apply.